Hi friends, welcome to Agnicart. In this tutorial, I'll explain you how to add a carousel to your homepage. Okay, let's get started. So let me go to the admin dashboard and carousels, the images that you display on the homepage, they're typically called as widgets in Agnicart theming. So the first thing that we need to do is go to widgets, and as you can see, you have three types of widgets: carousels, image groups, and product groups. First let me explain you what is a carousel. In this tutorial I'll go through that, and in the next tutorials I'll explain you what is an image group and product group, and how to add it to the homepage of your theme. All right, so let me just add a carousel here. Submit, and for carousel we need to add images, so I'll quickly add three images. And the button text, I'll explain it to you. I'll come back once I add the images. Save. This is carousel 1, carousel 2. One thing I would like to mention is make sure the image size of all the carousels is the same. So it's very important you keep the image size standard for all these carousels, because when user sees the website, he or she, they should feel it. They should feel it very nice. It doesn't look good if a particular image is of one size and the next image is of different size. You know what I mean? So it's very important that you maintain your website properly, and to do that. We need to have the image sizes as as a standard image size as much as possible, as a symmetrical image sizes, so that when users sees the website, they have a very nice experience. Okay, so we added the carousel here. So let me so once you add the carousel here, before it is shown on the website, there is one little step we need to associate with this widget to the home page. So you go to the home page tab, and you pick the widget type as carousel, and select the carousel that you just created and save. That's pretty much it. You see, you will see the carousel that you just created here. Now let me go back to the widget. I would like to show you one thing. For this image, I can add a button text. Button text is, let's say, if you want to have a nice button on top of the image, you can add the button text here, and you can display the link here. Link is the URL which you would like the user to go once they click the carousel image. So in this case, let's say I would like them to go to uh, rings or bracelet. Bracelet is under men's section for us. Or let's just say, I'll just go to necklace, women slash necklace. Okay. So yeah, same. So in this case, as you can see, the woman folding with saying namaste. It's the button link should take us to necklace. Let's see. Let me just refresh the screen here, and then I'll go to the image. As you can see, you see the shop now button. That and when you click on it, it takes you to the necklace. Slash women slash necklace. That is how you configure the click action of the carousel as well. All right. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on carousel. And in the next tutorial, I'll cover image groups. Talk to you soon. Thank you guys.